Hello guys, today I'm going to show you Subway coin hack. You need root and SB Game Hacker. Okay, open Subway. With this technique you can get unlimited monies. Go to shop, then go to store and open your SB Game Hacker. Type 7500, this number of coin. Search. Modify now. Type which number you want. Okay, now earn coins and store. Yes. Okay, now I can buy it free. So easily you can hack it. You can hack another one. 45000. Search. Modify now. 999999. Success. Earn coins and store. Look here. It already hacked. You can buy it. And how you can buy free? Use Lucky Patcher for this and patch Subway. After patching, the dollar will be 0.0. You can buy these coins free. So guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.